Hello and welcome to today's talk. Your Acera is not an Acera. So, we all know about the Shimano group sets. Many people know about the Tourney, the Acera, Altus, Alivio. So, there are multiple names for the derailleur systems, the gear systems that you're using. But when you select a bike with an Acera derailleur, is it really an Acera derailleur? Now, there are two things that you should know about the Shimano system that most people don't know. First of all, these gear systems start changing. That is, Shimano has got a full hierarchy of the group sets. So, if you look at the mountain bike range, which is the same thing that is used for hybrid cycles, you have got at the lowest part, you have got the Tourney. The Tourney up to now was 7-speed. Now the newest Tourney is also compatible with 8-speed. Above the Tourney, you have got the systems called Altus, and above it you have got Acera. And presently, as of 2020, the Altus and Acera are still 8-speed. That is, I am talking about the back cassette. Above the 8-speed Altus and Acera, you have got the Deore. The Deore is 9-speed. Now the latest versions are trying to go into 10-speed, 11-speed and 12-speed, but we will not be discussing about them here. And even above the Deore, you have got other systems like Saint, XT and SLX. So I will not be discussing about that, but this is just to make you understand that Shimano has got multiple gear systems at multiple levels which are capable of different levels of application, and they have got different prices. For example, the Tourney has got a derailleur which is going to cost you in Indian rupees anywhere between 500 and 700 rupees. But when you come to the Deore systems, the Deore electronic system is maybe at the top of the hierarchy level, and it is extremely costly. If in Indian rupees it will be coming to lakhs. So you have to understand that a gear system by Shimano is not as simple thing as you think that okay, this bike has got a Shimano gear system. It may be a very cheap Tourney system, or it may be an extremely costly, exorbitantly priced XTI Deore system which is electronic shifting. So just saying that my cycle has got a Shimano gear system, it doesn't mean anything at all. It could be a very cheap bottom line which is meant for budget cycles, or it may be very costly. So now you know that you have got systems ranging from Tourney up to Deore XTI electronic. So these are the systems that you got. We'll go through the range again. The bottom range is the Tourney, then you have got the Altus, then the Alivio, and then the Deore. Above the Deore, you have got the Saint, SLX, Deore XTI and all those things which we are not going to discuss right now. So you have now understood that Shimano has got many different types of gear systems depending upon your price range. The next thing that we are going to discuss is the trickle down technology of the Shimano. So just imagine the Deore system. So we will start from the Deore. I know that there are many systems above the Deore, but let's consider the Deore system as the top of the line. Now suppose in 2010 they have got a particular Deore system, and the Shimano engineers improve on the Deore system by making the shifting better, or by making it lighter, or by making the shifting much faster. So now they have got a totally new system for the Deore. So what do they do with the old Deore system? This is simply a change of the old Deore system into an Altus system or an Alivio system, which means that in 2010, whatever was called Diore, after about 2013, about 1 to 3 years down the line, they changed the system, and the old Diore system is now called Alivio. So what happened to the old Alivio system? The old Alivio system is now called the Acera. The old Acera system is now called the Altus. The old Altus system is now called Tourne. That is, every year or every 2 years, Shimano upgrades the system and renames the systems. Which means, suppose you have an Acera system in 2015. By 2020, whatever features were there in the Acera system, that is the ease of shifting, the speed of shifting, the number of gears, the way the derailleur works, all those things within 3 years or 5 years will be there in the Tourne system. I hope you understand what I am talking about. That is, your old system will not only become obsolete, the newer systems, which are actually less costly and less complicated than your systems in name, will now be the same as yours. Which means, suppose you buy a Alivio in 2015 and you buy a Tourne in 2020, there is a possibility that both of them will be having the same shape or the same number of gears or even the same working. So just because the name is an Acera, it does not mean that it has got all the functions of the latest Acera. So when you are taking a particular gear system, that is, your dealer tells you or the manufacturer tells you that I am using an Alivio system or I am using an Acera system, the first thing that you have to ask is which year. That is, an Acera system in 2015 and an Acera system of 2020 are totally different. That is, basically, if you are buying an old type of Acera system, that is, it is outdated and definitely not worth the money you are spending because it is an Acera system. So look at the date of the system. The second thing that you have got to understand about the systems of Shimano is that they come in group sets. So it's easier for me to show this on a road bike group set. So here you are seeing the Shimano road bike group set of 105. Everything that you see on the screen right now is part of the 105 group set of Shimano. So what is the group set? The group set consists of the front drifters, that is the integrated shifters in the front, the gear shifters, left and right. The left coming for your front and the right coming for your back gears. You have got the derailleurs, that is the front derailleur and the back derailleur, which is the next step. Then you have got the cassettes, the back cassette and the front triple chain rings, which are also part of the gear system. In addition to that, if you are going for a road bike system, they have also got a corresponding brakes. For example, a Claris system comes with a Claris system type of brakes, and a 105 comes with a 105 type of brakes, and the Ultigra has got maybe one of the best brakes, and the shape itself is different, and the Ultigra brake is also different. So what you have to understand is, just by looking at the bike and you see a rear derailleur on the back and it is written Acera, it does not mean that the whole system may be an Acera. So an easy way in 2020 to find out whether your Acera derailleur is paired with an Acera cassette is just to count the number of gears in that cassette. An Acera is compatible with an 8-speed cassette. So if your cassette is 7-speed, that basically means that they have used a Tourne cassette for your Acera derailleur, which is perfectly compatible. Which also means that your Acera system bicycle may have an Acera derailleur, but it does not have an Acera cassette. It does not have an Acera front derailleur. It does not have an Acera front triple chainring. It does not have an Acera shifter on the front both the sides. The brakes, usually the company comes with Tektro. The Shimano is also available, but we will not think about the brakes for an MTB system now. So when you see a cycle with an Acera gear system, you have to understand that maybe the gear system that is only the Acera derailleur part is there on your cycle, or even if it is an Acera full system, you have to check which year. So from the next time onwards, if you are upgrading your cycle, buying a cycle for yourself, or you are looking for a cycle for yourself and you see a particular name on the gear system, for example it is written Acera or Altus, look for two things. First, look which year is the Acera, and second, is it a complete Acera group set. So now you have probably understood how to look at the gear sets and whether it is worth the amount of money that you are spending on the gear set. So I hope this crank video has been useful to you. Thank you for spending the time, and see you next time. So remember, your Acera may not be an Acera. Thank you.